What's up, everybody? Ahoy there! Captain Granite here, and I am freezing. Stay tuned. What's up, everybody? I know the wind noise is going to be kind of a crapshoot at the moment, but that's because it's windy out. A little bit of wind. I had the choice of either A, taking my car or taking the bike, and I decided, I was like, oh, the thermometer says it's 45 out. I'm like, brisk. It's a bit brisk, and I have a little weather chart or whatever for calculating what the temperature is when riding during A, temperature, and B, riding speed. So I looked at it. 45 degrees at 50 miles per hour will give you the wind chill feeling of 17 degrees. Why did I think that this was an okay thing to do? I have no idea. Captain Crazy here. I feel like the Macho Man. Maybe I am insane.
You know something? Maybe I am insane.
Oh, but why? Why am I out and about right now? Well, it's Saturday, the day before Easter. So, for all of you, happy Easter. You guys won't see this till Wednesday. But still, I hope you had a wonderful Easter. So, why? 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 Why am I out? Well, my wife is making hummingbird cupcakes. I have never had them before. But, in the midst of making them, you know, I'm going around the house. I'm doing my husbandly duties of cleaning. I was cleaning like the bathroom and like vacuuming and all that stuff. Kind of like the weekend kind of chore list. And I was gonna start streaming on Twitch. Well, I sit down at the kitchen counter for a second, and she looks at her recipe list and goes, "Oh no, I messed up." And I said, well, what'd you mess up on? She goes, the cupcakes. And I said, okay. I was like, how'd you mess those up? And she goes, I forgot the vegetable oil in it. And I'm sitting there, you know, I don't know what, you know, when it comes to baking, I'm like, okay, it can't be that big of a deal. Oil is a pretty big deal. And it wasn't like, oh, you need a half cup of vegetable oil. No, it was a cup and a half of vegetable oil that she needed to have in this collection of cupcakes. And she pulls them out of the oven, and they are elastic, to say the least. They were pretty stiff. Point of inedible. Good flavor. Good flavor. I've never, like I said, I've never had them before. And they actually tasted pretty good. Well, she didn't like them. And I don't blame her. Because, I mean, like I said, they're kind of elasticy. So we needed to, you know, we need more ingredients to make another batch. And she goes, I need you to go to the store. I need bananas, pecans, and crushed pineapple. And I was like, okay. I was like, I can do that. And that's when I kind of like looked at the thermometer. I was like, bike or car, bike or car. And I haven't been on the bike in over a week at this point. Just because the weather's been, I mean, it's cold. I mean, I'm looking at my temperature gauge on my bike. It says 35. Like, we had this cold front just come and kick us right square in the testicles. So I really don't know why I decided to take the bike out. So if my if my math is correct, so 35 degrees, I'm going 40 miles per hour right now. That should put me at the ballpark around 5 degrees. That's what I'm feeling. My hands are numb. I definitely, they're like that painful, warm tingling, which isn't good. Not good. I mean, even with these heavy hitters on, I mean, they're perforated. I don't have winter gloves because I don't ride in the winter. I don't know. I put on the warmest pair of gloves that I had, which are these heavy hitters. So I figured I'd bring you guys to the grocery store with me, or what I like to call it as the food library.
Food library.
It's called a grocery store, you douchebags!
And before you guys question that, think about it. Honestly, think about it. It's a food library. Everything is categorized, just like a library. It's in order, not alphabetical, but it's in order. It's a food library. There is a lot faster way of getting to the food library, and I didn't take it because, well, that would require me to go roughly 70 miles per hour. And I know what you're thinking. You guys are probably like, well, you know, suck it up, Buttercup, and just do it. I don't even know what the math would be for that. It'd be negative. It'd definitely be negative temperatures that I'd be feeling, which, I mean, doesn't really make any difference because I'm already chilly. So other stuff that I got going on, I actually scheduled my COVID shot. And I'm not even going to put COVID in the title or anything like that because YouTube has this funny way of flagging that crap and making it so it doesn't show the videos. So I'm not even going to put that on. Yeah, so I scheduled that. I'm just, you know, I've never gotten a flu shot before. And I don't know, maybe it's just the whole, after getting diagnosed with like the diabetes, the Wilford Brimley disease. Maybe I'm just taking health a little bit more seriously. I don't know. I can't chalk it up to why I'm getting it. I just feel like I need to do something. And plus, in order for me to travel for work, it actually seems like I'm gonna have to get it. So I have that going for me. You know what's kind of sad that I'm not seeing right now is other motorcycles. So I'm literally the only crazy person out here riding. Oh, thank you for turning. Slowly. Turning slowly, little camper. Oh, why did I speed up? It's so much colder! Oh, my nipples! This vest does not do good for nipple management. Oh, we're stopping here. We're just gonna slow down. I don't know what are you're going in that lane. Good. That's the right directional signal to use for going into that such lane. No! I wanted to get through. I didn't want to wait. I don't want to wait for that light to turn green. I got a Jeep in front of me. What the fuck was that? Why did I squeak? I squeaked. I'm crazy. The cold has gotten to me. Brr. Oh my god, my hands are so cold. Alright guys, I'm you know what, I might record when I'm in there. I don't know yet. I'll catch you in a minute.
5 minutes later.
I could not even remotely record in there right now. It was so busy. It was crazy. There's so many people. And a lot of people not wearing masks either, which kind of, you know, I get it. It's your own prerogative. There's, you know, that's your choice. You know, I technically am not wearing a mask. I'm just wearing like a neck gaiter over my nose and mouth. which it does absolutely nothing. So, I mean, I can't really say all that much, but at least it's covered. I guess that's just like one of those things where people like look at me and be like, okay, you know what? He's got it covered. You know, that's peace of mind. That's all it is right now. It's just peace of mind. But yeah, I couldn't even get my phone out. There's like literally 10 to 15 people in each aisle. Like, I was actually shocked that they had pretty much every register open, and I could just literally the 14 items or less lane was like wide open. I just walked right up, dropped the things I needed, and got the hell out. I had one lady look at me and she goes, "You look like you're on a motorcycle." Oh, yes, I am, lady. I am on a motorcycle. Don't you think it's a little early for that? Lady, if you've never ridden one, you don't understand. I didn't say that. That's what came into my head. What came out is with, nah. Beautiful out. That's what came out of my head. My mouth hole. I really should have just went, nah, walk away. But I really hope you all had a wonderful, wonderful Easter. Hope you got to spend it with family and friends. I'd really like to see 2021 turn around and not be so COVID sensitive. You know, start making the progression to some sort of normality. Oh man, look at all that dirt right there. Street sweepers in Laconia are not out yet, which is surprising because usually they're the first. Yeah, look at that, right in the middle of the road. Whew. Yowza. Actually, look, street sweeper has been out. It just pushed it out into the road more. Huh. Oh well. Note to self, don't go over to the right. Stay in the middle or left. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, everyone. I want to say thank you, stopping in, hanging out. And I got shit for this, the last video, because I didn't say it. And you know what? I'm rusty. I'm trying to get back into another bike. Sweet buttered toast, they're alive and well today. I'm not the only crazy one. Yeah, and so I didn't say this in the last video, and you know what? I apologize. Another bike. So yep. So the last video, I didn't say it. Y'all are sexy. And that's what was missing from the last video. Y'all are sexy. So yeah, thank you all for being here. Be sure to hit that like button, the subscribe button. Leave me a sassy comment. I mean, it doesn't have to be overly sassy, but it can be sassy. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Later.
I am the cream.